Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey little bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys some goodies that was sent with the unit. The unit I will be reviewing is a headband wig, if you can't tell, child. It is a headband wig with a bang, and it is in the texture Jerry Curly. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it does also have the little headband band thing. You guys know what I'm talking about. It has that. and this unit is 14 inches long. Now, if you are interested in any more detailed specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so this unit says, on their site, it says UNice Hair headband wig with bangs, short bob wig, natural curly, human hair wig, no glue, no gel, scarf wig for black women. Child, can we get over the black women, okay? Like, let's not, okay? This hair is not kinky, so let's just not. Okay, so it says the brand name is UNice. The origin is CN origin. I don't know what that means. Material grade Remy hair. Texture Jerry curl. And if I'm not mistaken, this unit is in 14 inches. I think that's what the company actually sent me. They said that the unit was 14 inches. I don't actually see that on the site, but they did tell me that. Now, this is a headband wig, so it's not gonna be a whole lot I'm gonna have to say about this wig. Like, not only is it a headband wig, it's a headband bang wig. And I always feel like these type of units are more so for people that don't want their edges out. It's like a headband wig for the people that don't want your edges out. Girl, I feel you, okay? I feel you, because your girl shaved her edges recently. Well, not recently, child. It's almost been a year now, honey, and they slowly but surely coming on back. But I feel like these type of units are made for us, you know? Like, if you don't want your edges out, like, I know how to fake it till I make it. I'm just that type of person. But in general, if you don't want to have your edges out, these type of units are great for that. Now, this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the headband strap. You know what I mean? Like, if you got a headband wig, you know the little elastic band thing, headband think. Yes, that is in here, okay? And this unit, I did get a few headbands. And actually, I probably should have put this one on because normally I can't wear these. These are not the headbands I can gravitate towards because my edges. But with these type of units, I could wear that type of headband. And then I also got this one, which is a little festive, honey. And then I got this, which makes me feel like I'm finna go on vacay. And then I got this one. And I always like these sort of headbands. It just kind of feels Chrissy-ish, and a lot of my clothes are similar. So that was the one that I gravitated towards. But if I'm not mistaken, you should be able to pick what kind of headband you want. I don't know, girl. If not, go on Amazon, honey, and just buy you a whole bunch of headbands. Call it a day. But anyways, yeah, this unit is Jerry Curly texture. And right now, if you haven't been watching my channel, honey, Jerry Curly is where it's at for your girl, okay? I am definitely loving the Jerry Curly texture. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. Like, this unit doesn't shed, it's not tangly, it's like none of the things, honey. It was really, really easy to style. As far as big head friendliness, I always say when it comes to the headband wigs that I feel like they're more so one size fits all, in my opinion. I don't know, you know, some of y'all may disagree, but I feel like they're basically one size fits all. And I feel like that is the case with this particular unit as well. So yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. So if you are interested in how I feel about it and what I did to style, oh girl, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I really do like this unit. I love a unit that is really, really easy for me to kind of style and just go on about my business. And I also feel like with these type of wigs, they're really easy to do the pineapple method, which I will try to do that with it. I do have to go and pick up Miss Journey Brown because, honey, she's been with her grandparents, and I need to go get her, okay, before they put on the porch. I'm just joking. But I feel like it's really, really easy to style. It just doesn't take a whole lot because you, like I say, you don't have to do what you would normally have to do as far as with your baby hairs and trying to figure all that out. You don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is kind of comb your fingers through it. I literally did not apply any product to this unit, and that is one of my favorite things about the Jerry Curly texture. It's like it just don't feel like it takes a whole lot. And I didn't have to, I guess because it's a shorter unit, because sometimes with my Jerry Curly wigs I still do apply product, but when it's shorter it seems like it just doesn't take anything. And as you guys can see, it's just full of body. Just full of body, y'all. I am definitely feeling this wig. I love the ease of it, and it's just a complete Chrissy type of unit, honey. Your girl will be out here in these streets with oh girl, and I'm not even a bang type of person, but I am definitely feeling this unit. So yeah, as I stated, it didn't take any product whatsoever, and I love the length of it. I love everything about this wig. This is just definitely, like I said, a Chrissy type of unit. It's a good mom wig. It's a good, let me throw on some hair and go to the grocery store or whatever type of unit, and I love that about it. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about it. If you're feeling it, do you feel the same way that I do about it? Are you not a bang girl, or are you a bang girl? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, honey, that is it. Oh, that ain't it, girl. I'm gonna give you a full 360, and then that is it. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Do you think this is like good, easy hair? Let me know down below. And yeah, y'all, we are through. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space.